Subway, more like eh.
Good morning, Good morning. Fuck. Good morning. What the fuck? Good morning, sex. Oh my fucking. Good morning, sexy. It is. Yeah. Fuck. Good morning, sexies. It is itsDvon. Welcome to vlog 13 here. Pretty much today, it is about 4:20 right now. Sorry. I'm about to go get picked up by my friend Kaylee, and then me, her, and then Barbara. We're all gonna go to the Demolition Derby. So that's gonna be fun. It's pretty much gonna take up the whole fucking day. So let's go. That was bad. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, it is Sunday, it is the next day. Last night was the Demolition Derby. It was super fun, it went super good. So that was an amazing night. Pretty much now, I'm going to go for a run soon. It's going to be me, my boy Caleb, and then the Maya Rubino on the bike. And then, so me and Caleb are going to be running while she's on the bike. It's super hot right now, actually. It's about like almost 90 degrees. There's a cloud in the sky. And I'm trying to go like 6, 7, 8 miles, you know. So it's gonna suck, pretty much. That's what I'm trying to say. So we're gonna go do that, and then later tonight we're gonna be going to this local carnival tonight. So it's gonna be super fun. Hopefully you guys enjoy. So pretty much just finished up the run, just dropped both of those guys off. Except I didn't drive one. Okay, that doesn't matter. Pretty much It was about 7 miles at about 7-minute pace, maybe. So overall, it was pretty easy. That was the goal. You know, Sunday runs are supposed to be pretty easy. So 7 miles, 7-minute pace. I'm gonna go home, take a fat nap, eat some protein waffles, and then we're gonna go to the carnival later. So enjoy.
Oh my god!